In this lesson, we will learn how to create email models, also known as templates. Templates allow us to save message models that need to be sent repeatedly, which can help us streamline our work. Some examples of situations where using templates can be useful are sending invitations to events, answering frequently asked questions, and messages for prospecting new clients. Before creating templates in Gmail, we need to enable this feature. To do this, we go to the Settings menu. Let's click on See All Settings and click on Advanced. In this section, we can see some Gmail features that need to be enabled so we can start using them. Let's choose the Enable option for templates and click on Save Changes. Now, let's start creating our templates. To create a template, we'll start by creating a message by clicking on Compose. For this first example, I'm going to create a holiday message to the company's clients. Then I will fill out the email subject normally. And I'll write the message where I'll thank the clients for the partnership throughout the year and wish them happy holidays. Note that instead of the recipient's name, I will leave a highlighted section so I don't forget to put the name of each specific client. If you find it necessary, it may be a good idea to leave this section in bold or with some other preferred highlighting finish. It's important that this text section catches our attention so we don't send the message to a client without putting each one's real name. Now, to save the template, I'm going to click on the More Options menu at the bottom of the message. I'll click on Templates. Save Draft as a template. Save as a new template. With that, a small dialog box will open for us to choose the name of the template. If you've already put a title for the message, it will already appear as the name of the template. You can leave this name or choose another. In this case, I'm just going to click Save. Now the template is saved and I can discard this message. To use an existing template, just create a new message by clicking on Compose. Go to the More Options menu at the bottom of the message. Click on Templates and click on the name of the template we created. With that, both the subject and the text of the message will already be filled with the information saved in the template. At first, everything was filled correctly. But if we scroll down to the end of the message and look at the signature, we'll see that the message has duplicate signatures. In a previous class, I showed how to create customized signatures and set them up for new messages. And when I created the template with this message, I saved the template with the signature in the body of the message. So, what's happening is that Gmail inserted the signature from the template and also inserted the default signature that I set to appear in all messages. So, if you also have a default signature set up for your new messages, it's best to save your templates without the signature. If we want, we can make changes and replace an existing template. In this case, I will delete both signatures. And I will replace the template. To do this, just go to the More Options menu. Click on Templates. Save Drafts as Template. And now, instead of clicking on Save as New Template, I will click on the name of the template I want to replace. With this, a window will open asking if we want to replace the existing template. I will click on Save. Now, I will discard the message. I will click on Compose once again. And I will choose this template again. This time, since the template was saved without the signature, the created message has only one signature. So, to send this message to my clients, all I have to do is enter the recipient's email and change the contact name according to the chosen email. Now, I can discard this message. The next message example I'm going to create is for a type of message we receive a lot here at the company. It is very common for us to receive messages asking how much it costs to create a website. The problem is that the cost of creating a website depends on many factors. So, whenever we receive a generic budget request like this, we have to respond to the message by requesting more information in order to prepare the budget. So, I'm going to prepare a template to use whenever this type of budget request arrives in my inbox. For this, I will once again create a new message. And I will write a formal and polite message thanking for the contact and requesting the information I need to prepare the budget. Remember that if you have a signature configured, it is good to delete it from the template so that it is not duplicated in the final sends. In addition, I also recommend highlighting the section where we should put the client's name. This way, we don't risk sending the message with this field unfilled. Now, I will go to the More Options menu. I will click on Templates. I will click on Save Draft as Template. And I will click on Save as New Template. As this will be a reply email, I had not yet set a title for the message. So, I can define a name for the template now. I will save it as Website Design Quote. Now the template is saved and I can discard this message. If we look at my inbox now, we will see that I received a message asking for a quote for a website. And since this message does not provide the details I need to prepare the quote, it is perfect for me to use the template I just created. So, all I have to do is click on Reply and select the template I created in the More Options menu. Templates. If I click on the template for this situation, the message will be automatically inserted in the body of the email. Now, all I have to do is replace the client name field with the name of the client in question. And click Send. And those were some examples of using templates to optimize message sending. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.